Hello, gentlemen traders and investors. In Touch Guru Markets. Let's start with some summary information about the company. A little further, we will consider each parameter in more detail. You can pause it if necessary. You can study all the parameters of the corporation in question more closely. We will analyze the main fundamental indicators of the company Kforce Inc., ticker KFRC. This review is based on current information as of August 19, 2025. According to Classification Guru.Markets, company Kforce Inc. belongs to the subcategory. Kforce staff, 34 companies take part in the comparison. We will consider the final decisions at the end of the video. The overall result for the company in question is as follows: 5.5 out of 10 points. Average score for the subcategory, 0.8 points. If you look at it broadly, within the US market in general, we'll see the average rating for the US stock market as a whole is 1.8 points. Against a 5.5 rating for the company Kforce Incorporated. Comparing the dynamics of the company's share price Kforce Incorporated and subcategory shares, we see that over 12 months the shares Kforce Inc. showed a dynamics of minus 50.2%. Against the price dynamics in the subcategory of 9.4%. Market capitalization of the organization Kforce Incorporated amounts to $0.59 billion, with a subcategory capitalization of $216 billion. The company's book value is $0.13 billion. With a balance sheet capitalization of $30 billion, the subcategory is worth $1.5 billion. By comparing the shares of stock exchange and book value, we can see the following. Share Kforce Inc. in the subcategory in case of market capitalization assessment is 0.276%. The book value is 0.445%. Assessment of the company's share of market and balance sheet capitalization in the subcategory, good, 1 point. The organization's debt obligations amount to $0.086 billion. Debt to book value is 64% of equity. The result for the company's debt level, toll, 0 points. The company's market value to profit ratio is 13.6. With an average for the subcategory of 41.9. Evaluation of the stock market value to profit ratio in comparison with companies in the subcategory, very good, 2 points. Profits for the last 12 months were $44 million. Projected profits for the next 12 months are expected to be $46 million. Assessment of the expected future profit indicator in comparison with the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's price-to-sales ratio is 0.4. Average in the subcategory is 2.3. Evaluation of the company's market value to revenue ratio in comparison with the subcategory indicators, good, 1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $1,360 million. Forward revenue for the next 12 months is provisionally $1,440 million. Assessment of the expected future sales volume indicator in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The sales margin is 3.2%, with an average of 5.5% for the subcategory. Marginality assessment in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's share in terms of the number of personnel in the subcategory is 1.727%, which is 526% more than the market capitalization share. The amount of market capital per employee of the company is $61,000. while for the subcategory it is $384,000. Assessment of the volume of capital per employee in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The profit volume per employee of the company is $4,500. The average in the subcategory is $9,200. Evaluation of the company's profit per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's revenue per individual employee is $140,000. In the subcategory, $167,000. Evaluation of the share of revenue per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The volume of short transactions was 6.4%, with an average for the subcategory of 2.8%. Technical indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 32% for the company Kforce Inc. Whereas for the subcategory this level is 47%. The company's actual stock valuation is approximately $32.01. The consensus price target for the company's shares is approximately $47.76. Let's look at the order table. It is available to you. The link to it is in the pinned comment. The order table contains all decisions made in a given season by the stock evaluation information and reference System.GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is absolutely free and open. Link in the pinned comment. Based on the analysis Kforce Incorporated. Information and reference system for stock evaluation Guru.Markets, the following decision was made. Open a buy trade at $32 per share. The order is open due to the fact that the company has a relatively high valuation and price change. The organization's assessment was carried out based on the assessment methods, the Akeem's index. Take profit is set at 36.85. Stop loss is set at 27.15. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss, then the order is fixed automatically based on the results of the session on September 18, 2025, or on the last trading day before the specified date. Ticker ATEC is a countervailing sell order. The video on the balance transaction will be or has already been published on the channel. In case of closing one of the orders, the basic or balancing one, the opposite order is closed at the last price. A huge thank you to all of you for watching to the end and for using the information and reference system from Guru.Markets.